I think when people think about their estate planning, they often focus too much on the documents that are going to be prepared and not enough on the people that are going to be serving in the various positions that are described in those documents. For example, we want to give some thought to who the executor of your estate is going to be. And until you know what an executor does and what kind of responsibilities that person has, it's really hard to pick a good executor. Too often people, I think, will say, name the oldest child. But the oldest child may or may not really be good for the job. And until you understand what executors do, it's really hard to pick a good one. So your planning is really going to focus on learning about what executors do and how you can go about looking at your cast of characters and your family and your friends and picking the person that's really good for the job. You're also going to want to think about the successor to that executor, who can do it if the one person you've thought to name is unable to complete the task. But we have other positions we also need to think about. We need to think about guardians for minor children. Who's going to raise those children and attend to their day-to-day needs, decide what school they go to or what they eat for breakfast in the morning? Who's going to manage any money that might be coming into their hands? That's a guardian of the estate, and we want to think about the right person for that job. We probably want to think about trustees. If we're going to have a trustee managing money for a period of time that goes beyond what a normal guardian would handle, we're going to want to pick a good trustee and a good successor trustee. And again, we need to talk about what those people do, what qualities we're going to be looking for in a good trustee or a good guardian. And once we have all that information, then we can start worrying about what we're going to say in the documents.